Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to use the if function in Google Sheets. So I prepared an example of students and 4 test results as well as the average, and now I can add my remarks, and I wanna get a result whether they pass or fail the test. So without further ado, let's get into the example and build it together. So the first thing I'm doing is an equal sign. You always use the equal sign when you enter a formula in Google Sheets. Then I write if in capitals and I open up the brackets. So now it's asking me for a logical expression and a value if it's true and a value if it's false. Alright, so the logical expression, let's say the students need an average of higher than 80 to pass, and otherwise they will fail the test. So I'm just gonna write if, and then I'm here on the average in column G, I'm clicking on if G is bigger or equal to 80, they pass the test. So I can say true, or otherwise it should tell me false. So if they are, if their average is higher than 80 or 80, it will return true, and otherwise false. Let's see if that works. Now I close the brackets and I just hit enter. So first one, 81, yeah, that is true. Now I'm just dragging the formula to all the other cells, and as you can see, whenever it's lower than 80, it returns false, and if it's 80 or more, it will return true. So that worked really well. Perfect. Let's have a second example, because you can not only just use the if function, you can also add in other conditions and other functions. So now let's build the average within the formula, within the if formula. And also let's not just use true or false, let's use pass and fail. All right, again, I'm using the equal sign. I'm writing if, I open up the brackets, and now the expression is going to be if average, and then I mark all the tests. If the average is higher or equal to 80, let's say hard test, it will be pass. And now I'm using the exclamation marks because I'm just entering text and not true and false anymore. Otherwise, if it's lower than 80, it will be fail. So I just write fail also in brackets, open up the brackets, and then I close them. I close the, open up and close the exclamation marks, and then I close the brackets here and I hit enter. So, and now I drag it down. And as you can see, whenever the test is 80 or higher, it returns a pass, and otherwise it returns a fail. Perfect. So this is how to use the if function in Google Sheets. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like, follow the channel, and also hit the notification bell. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Bye bye.